Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Today I want to make a simple basic chunky project like this. This is a simple headband. It is very simple project and small project, and it is very great for beginner or make it as a last minute gift. If you like my tutorial, please leave a comment and like to let me know, and thank you very much. Let us go to the material. This is the material I use. I use 4-ply cotton yarn and 3.5 mm hook like this, and I use scissors for cutting and also a needle for sewing the yarn. Okay, let us start for the tutorial. First of all, make a slip knot like this, and then make a 16 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now on the first row we need to make single crochet for each of the loop in here. To start it, you need to skip the first chain here and work in the second chain. Make 15 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, you now have 15 single crochet in total. Now we move to the second row. To start it, make a 1 chain like this, and then yarn over like that. We will work for back only. Usually in the normal crochet we take these 2 loops, but for back loop only we just working for 1 loop like this. So make a slip stitch, 1 slip stitch, move to the next, 2, move to the next, 3, move again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and the last one, 15. So you have 15 slip stitch here, and now we move to the third row. Make a chain, work with single crochet with back loop. Look at here. This one, you you don't work here. You look at from the front side. You have to look right here, but we work in the back loop here. So you hold your yarn like this and work it from the back here. So now we work for single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as you can see here, there is a form like this, and this is the right side and this is the back side. So now we move to the part rows, work with slip stitch, and now we make in the back loop. So if you consider here, it is only repeat the same pattern. If you saw in the first row, we work with single crochet without back loop. But from the second row until to the last row, you need to work with back loop. So just repeat the pattern from third row and fourth row until you get the size that fits to your head. So this is the first row. Just repeat it the third and fourth row until you get a size that you needed. And I will be back when I get the size that I need for my head. This is the size of my headband. I use 82 rows here, but I will adding one row here with the single crochet. So if you follow this tutorial, usually you will repeat single crochet and then slip stitch. And if you see here, the 82 should be slip stitch. And I will add one row here with single crochet. Before you decide how many row that you need, you need to resize your headband, make it in your head like this, and then stretch it. Make sure this one and this one side and this one side reach each and another, and then you go to the next step with adding one single crochet row here. So you will have 83 rows. After that, you join the first row and the last row using the slip stitch. So let us start to do the final step for join this. As usual, you're adding one chain here. We're adding one single crochet before we join first row with the end row. This one and this one. Now we make 15 single crochet. 1, 2. Make sure you work with back loop only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, this one. Okay. Now we add one chain and then join it like this. Look at here. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So make sure you work for the wrong side. Just twist the into the wrong side here. Now bring your yarn. This take one loop here from the other side and take one loop from this other side. Make a slip stitch. One. You should have 50 slip stitch here. Okay. 2. Just take it slow by slow. Sometimes if you don't focus on it, you will take a wrong side of this loop. 2. Oh, sorry. Repeat this pattern. Uh, okay. Now we are ready to into the last stitch. Cut it. Cut it as you want. Then we will hide the remaining yarn. I will put it here and then bring it again to here. Bring again to this side. There I will hide it. So my result of this jerky headband more tight. Okay, just cut the remaining like this. So if you see here, still there are remainder, right? Just cut it. This is the remainder when you put uh, first row. So this is the join of the first and the last row here. This is the final result of my headband. Just put it in your head like this, and then put your hair back like this, put it back like this, and just use it like this. And bring to the front of your hair, or you can make your hair like this, put it to the front. Yeah, so this is the final result of my headband. You can see this is very cute, right? So I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Like my tutorial, please leave a like or comment in below to let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.